Hey, good morning. My name is John Kempton, and I have been with AAOSH for 15 years. I advise my clients, and when I speak, we talk about how lifestyle is the medicine we need that brings together what our body needs and wants by virtue of its genetic code, so that lifestyle can be congruent with our genetics and the body can take care of itself. Products that StellaLife offers dentistry to reduce inflammation, to accelerate healing, to promote a balanced oral microbiome are incredibly important to a component of lifestyle. But they all work better when lifestyle is congruent. So many years, dentistry has offered certain remedies, recommended certain treatments, certain therapies. We prescribe things, and then patients leave our office only to pursue a lifestyle that doesn't support what we've recommended. So I have been committed to put a wellness coach, a lifestyle individual in every dental office who is willing to move in this direction and allow products that can accelerate periodontal health to work much more quickly by virtue of the lifestyle that these folks have engaged in. Lifestyle is the medicine. That's what I do, and it allows StellaLife and their product line to work better for you. Thank you for listening.